Hi guys, welcome to today's video. We'll be talking about upcoming storms. We see guys, there's a storm coming, they're saying, some of it's on the Pacific Ocean, they're saying a storm says it's coming in. Okay, this video will be called Upcoming Storm. Okay guys, let's get to the video. Alrighty guys, let's go. This is Friday, October 8th, today. You see, this is to predict what today looks like. Alrighty, let's go guys. Friday at 8 p.m. Friday, October 8th. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, this is 2 a.m. on October 8th to predict. Alright, guys, let's start at 2 p.m. You see, it's 2 p.m. Friday. See, the storm is starting to move into Nevada, but it's not the same storm. But you see Nevada, California, Utah has some rain. You see closer to California and things. This looks like this part right there you see with the red under the map, you see? That looks like it's starting to head into the United States. Let's go to the next one. Alright, it's Saturday, October 9th at 2 a.m. You see the storm, you see there's some snow to predict in Wyoming, looks like. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to Saturday at 2 p.m. We see this other storm moving up north into North Dakota, Wyoming, some snow in Colorado, some snow in Utah. You see. Okay, let's go to Sunday. So Sunday at 2 p.m. Alrighty, you see the low pressure moving this way. You see, and we have another low pressure down there, and we have some rain. And looks like, Oregon and Washington. Sorry, it took me a second to think. And you see some snow in Canada. You see, and we have some snow. Looks like in New Mexico, Colorado. Some rain right here. Okay, and we have some rain on the East Coast. Okay, let's go to Sunday. Let's go to Monday. Let's go to Monday at 2 p.m. Alrighty, we see snow in Montana. We see some rain in Nevada. We're starting to see this low pressure moving towards Indiana, Ohio area. Okay, let's go. And we see the storm out in the ocean. Okay, let's go to Tuesday. Okay, this is Tuesday at 12 p.m. They predict. At 2 p.m. I'm sorry. I don't know. Sorry. This is Utah and Colorado. Wyoming seems like it's getting a lot of snow. And Montana has some rain. And we see Kansas has some rain. We see the upper states, Michigan, and some going into Canada. And we see some snow right here. Looks like in Canada, and some rain coming into Washington a little. Can be, I don't know. Let's go to the next. Let's go to Wednesday at 2 p.m. Yep, there is some rain moving into Washington. You see, oh, that's big. Okay, that's a big low pressure thing. Okay, that's heavy rain. We see medium rain. The storm is stretching from Texas all the way into Canada. You see, little, and you see the storm's about to. It looks like it's about to hit maybe Michigan. Maybe looks like. In Illinois and Indiana, looks like there's some by Ohio. Let's go to the next one next day. Alrighty, we're going to go to Thursday at 2 p.m. We see the rain has moved off a little up north, we see. We see the rain that looks like it's in Texas. Looks like going into Mexico a little. You see some rain going by Washington again. Some snow in Canada. You see some, is that snow maybe in Wyoming, it looks like? I think it is. Let's go to Friday, October 15th at 2 p.m. Okay, we see it's starting to clear up the rain a little, but there's some rain right in southern Florida, closer to the Bahamas, you see. And we see some in Texas a little, not barely Texas, Louisiana more. You see some in the Gulf. Alright guys, let's check out our forecast temperatures today. Let's check if it's a major effect in the country's temperature. Canada, and we see Mexico and all them on there. Let's check if this majorly affects the United States, all the countries. Let's check it out. This is Friday, October 8th. You see, I think, yep, this is Friday, October 18th. You see, it's still like the temperature is still normal. You see. Okay, guys, let's go to the next slide. Alrighty, guys, Saturday, October 9th. Really warm, as you see. Really hot outside, you see. 98 Kansas, you see. Texas, 91, 92, 88. You see for the eastern, northern parts, you see 70, higher 70s, you see a lot. 69 in North Carolina. It says a lot of warm in the East Coast. You see, when you get to the West Coast, it's 60s, 50s, 40s. You see, you got 80s, 70s. You see, it's all over. Let's go to the next day. Alrighty, guys, I skipped a few days. You see, it's Wednesday, October 13th. You see, the West Coast has cooled down a little. You notice, and you see, the East Coast is still boiling over. You see, 70s, 80s. You see, for October. That's ridiculous. It's October and fall. It shouldn't be that warm. Alrighty, guys, let's go to the next day. See, guys, it's October 17th, Sunday. It looks like it's starting to cool down a little. I don't see as much as 80s. The warm places doesn't really count. Like, talk about the northeast places, really. Like the northern places. See, 70s, it's all starting to cool down, you see. You see, you see the West Coast, it's still normally warm. You see, a lot of places are starting to cool down, it seems like. Okay, guys, let's go to the next slide. Alright, you see, guys, it's October 20th. See, the heat, there's not much heat anymore, you see places are starting to cool down a lot. You see, Oregon 50s, you see Washington 50s, you see Idaho 50s, you see 60s a lot. Seems low. We see 60s, 70s, 80s. You see 50s. You see 40s, 30s in Canada. You see 30s a lot. Okay, guys, let's go to the next slide. You see 30s a lot, guys. We see 50s. My favorite temperature is 60s and 70s. Alrighty, guys, this is Friday, October 8th. You see in around South Carolina, Georgia. You see North Carolina looks like little. It goes into Kentucky. It looks like, and it looks like 10 to 20%. It looks like is in North Carolina and between Georgia, and looks like in some in Tennessee. It looks like in 20 to 50. Looks like it's in Georgia and it goes into South Carolina a little. You can't tell if it looks like it goes in north. It looks like it's Georgia and south. And 5 to 10% is in Georgia, in Kentucky, in Tennessee, North Carolina a little. And it looks like it could go into Virginia a little. And you see one green in. Looks like Utah. Looks like it could go in Utah, the Idaho, 5 to 10% excessive rainfall. It says. Okay, you see, guys, it looks like Nevada's 5 to 10%, Utah 5 to 10%. You see, it goes into Idaho. You see, Georgia looks like has some 5 to 10% excessive rainfall. South Carolina has 10%, 5 to 10% excessive rainfall. North Carolina has excessive rainfall, 5 to 10%. Virginia and West Virginia has 5 to 10% excessive rainfall. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next weather video. Bye, guys.